Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with what matters. Sign into your Google account and confirm you can access YouTube Music. Once done, pick the delivery method, use the web player for immediate access, or install the site as a progressive web app to get windowed controls and a taskbar icon. Make sure your browser is updated, allow site notifications if you want media controls, and confirm your network is stable. That way you avoid wasted steps and jump straight into using the service. Now install and configure the player. In Chrome or Edge, open Music. YouTube.com, use the browser menu to install app and pin it to your taskbar for fast access. That gives a desktop-style window and media keys support. Next, open Settings, set streaming quality, and enable desktop notifications so play/pause appears on your screen. Note why downloads are limited. Offline song files are handled by the mobile app and account subscription. So on complete setup by organizing your library and playlists so you can find music quickly and test media keys to control playback. Once everything looks good, use the cast button or Bluetooth to send audio to speakers and pin the app for one-click access. If something goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Sign out and sign back in. Then update the browser and disable extensions one at a time. Many playback issues come from outdated browsers or conflicting add-ons, and restoring defaults often fixes them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.